I'm Juancho Miguel Masicampo, commonly known as JM, currently an ID 121 student, and we'll be discussing what I have learned throughout the modules, being discussed while discussing three takeaways from the modules. I have learned and will be discussing what was reflected from how the course contributes towards my personal development. Module 1. First takeaway is I have realized the importance of recognizing our own culture and literature and how it would influence more aspiring Filipino writers as well, and how it would inspire younger writers to do more literary works based on unique cultures and traditions. Takeaway 2. Then and Now module materials explains how our Philippine literature evolves over the years, as well as how much it would differ from our culture and how it would evolve from different time periods. Takeaway 3. The module reflects on how literature would impact and shape our current society, as well as how the Gen Z audiences would react and reflect upon their insights and perspectives towards what they have read. Next, Module 2, Takeaway 1. It has been evident that NAS Daily was able to show the different sides of our country and what really defines the reality of our culture and tradition, which points out both sides towards how tourists see the country on how cheap our living costs are compared to its normal citizens struggling on how they would deal with our own living costs. Takeaway 2. As for the material known for the Howl and the Pussycat, wherein it shows the family as such a big aspect towards our culture and traditions, and what it really means to have a supportive family, and what it really means towards the family as well on raising a child to be successful and determined. Takeaway 3. Like in most traditions and cultures, looking up towards our elders, like how we would show always, to be able to uphold our highest respects towards them. Lola, as they would call, had a sentimental impact towards the family, since the Lola in the story had responsibility in raising three generations of the author's family. Module 3. First takeaway. The LGBTQ community has been voicing out what really needs to be established for the betterment and awareness of our society. The reading materials shows that reading a brief description and knowing what these individuals are defined as in the LGBTQ community, such as their preferences, pronouns, and as well as their genders as well. Takeaway 2. It gives a positive impact towards spreading knowledge towards people who need to know more about these concerns. Takeaway 3. It sends a message towards what needs to be addressed, and it's good that the younger generation gets educated with these kinds of topics and subjects. 3 takeaways from lectures and outside materials. Therefore, I have learned that that as an individual, there is a lot more to learn, what we can contribute, and appreciating and learning from the reading materials read. As an individual, the material I have read made me realize that the literary works can give a much more greater impact than just entertaining its audience and readers. Conclusion. It has been a really great and useful experience, and at the same time I'm really thankful for taking the course and studying this course. Thank you.